Oh, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year from our family to yours. Look what I got. I got a parcel from Canada, from one of my followers out there. Now, I've taken all the address labels off and I've hidden the return address. So I'm just going to open it. I'm so excited. There we are, I've got the box open. And we'll have a look, see what we got. We've got a teddy bear. Put that over there with the knife. What else have we got? Oh, we've got something wrapped in newspaper. I think what I should do is I should take everything out and then show you, rather than doing it bit by bit. Wow, look at this. I didn't expect to get all this lot. So I've got some maple syrup and a mug. And we've got, what are these things here? It looks like fridge magnets. Well, that's nice. Let's put that up there for now. I'll show Sarah when she gets in. Yeah, I do like Canada. Thank you very much. Got some postcards. Ontario. Toronto. Toronto. Michigan. Yeah. And Niagara Falls. That's nice. Got some postcards. I'll show Sarah when she gets in. And a notebook, Canada. That'd be nice. For my glasses. Oh, thank you. That's nice of you. And we've got a little, what's this here? Looks like a little, we'll have to open that. Open that in a minute. I've got a neck thing. I'll probably put my camera on that actually. Little tiny pouch. That'd be nice for the phone. Yeah, very good. Something for my keys. I'll put that in the hallway. And what we've got here, it looks like we've got a tea towel. Oh, Sarah likes tea towels. What else have we got? We've got a ball, Canadian ball. I'll read that later. Label. Playing cards. Well, that'll be interesting. And an emergency poncho for when I'm out in the wet. And what's this one? Another fridge magnet. We'll put that straight on the fridge. And look at that, a lovely key ring. And got a little note. I'll hide the name. There we go. And looks like an apron. Well, that will come in handy. Oh, thank you very much. That's much appreciated. Thank you. And I'll open this right now. So inside that little pouch was a shot glass. Well, that's so exciting. Look at that. I shall be able to have my... I've actually got a bottle of chocolate orange gin. And it doesn't go very well when it's mixed with tonic. So it'll have to be on its own. Right. So, oh yeah, I forgot these pencils. And we've got some pens on strings. Well, that'll come in handy. Because I'm always losing my pens. Well, thank you very much. Very much appreciate it. And you go and have a nice holiday. And Merry Christmas to you. And Merry Christmas to all of you. Okay, thank you very much. Bye-bye. There we go. This is our mantelpiece. This clock is my inheritance from my father. It's I need to wind it up, and it needs repairing, but it's because it's a little bit slow. But anyway, there you go. There's the barometer. So it's fair for Christmas. I don't think we'll get snow here. But yeah, that'll give you a fit if it doesn't really. But that's some of our Christmas lights, and we've got more up there. Anyway, so that's it. That's our Christmas. And I'll try and do one on Christmas Day, Christmas Eve, Christmas Day and Boxing Day. Okay, see you later. Bye then.
These videos are so dreamy. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell.